Hi, and today we are going to learn the 4 times table trick. This is how we do it. First, we draw this shape here. And we draw 3 of them. You can just choose how much you want. It is like a W upside down. I'll just do the 4th one. So I'll teach you the 4 times table. So first, all you need to know is your 4 times table up to 5. So like 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Now this is all you need to know. Now you need to add 4 to 20, which gives you 24. 8 to 20, 28. 12 and 20, 32. 16 and 20, 36. And 20 and 20, which will give you 40. And now you need to make it even bigger by adding more numbers on it. And this is the easier way to do it. You can just do a big space and 2. So you can just do 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, then 20 and 4 make 24, 20 and 8, 28, 20 and 12, 32, 20 and 16, 36, and 20 and 20, 40. So let's go forward. Let's go all the way up to 80 with our 4 times table. But if we go to 80 with this one, we'll need a lot more. So this is what we're doing now. We are going to take 40 and add 4. 44. 40 and 8, 48. 40 and 12, 52. 40 and 16, 56. And 40 and 20, 60. And let's go higher. 60 and 4, 64. 60 and 8, 68. 60 and 12, 72. 60 and 16, 76. And 60 and 20, which is 80. And this is how you can keep on going. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.